and today we are going to talk about training. I said it, training. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned engineer, it doesn't matter if you're just a weekly volunteer, it doesn't matter if you're a pastor trying to get the sound better in your sanctuary. This episode will definitely help guide you and your church to a successful Sunday morning service. So how do you fix your lack of volunteer training? Bring in the professional after you've done that. The best way you can help your volunteers is by making it easier. Number one, create training manuals. What I normally do is create picture training manuals. What do I mean? This is the training manual for turning on the mixer. Here's the picture book.